Hello, welcome back to my channel. So today we are doing junky twist. So we are doing junky twist today. I just want a style that she can carry for just 1 week. If it's 2 weeks, I'll be thinking of Didi or all those other style. But today we are doing junky twist, and guess what? It came out so beautiful. So this style can go for events, can go to school, can go to church, can go anywhere because it's a very beautiful style. So as you all know, on this channel, the first thing we do is to moisturize the hair. We moisturize. So I've already moisturized it, and now I want to start cutting it. So parting it, cutting it, anyone. So I won't be using rubber band. I'll be using tiny ruffle because I don't want anything that will be tied to a scarf, because the style we just remove is Didi. So I want something that will relax a scarf for the week. So, and guess what, this style stayed for the week and it was beautiful even at the end of the week. So I'm making it is big, so that's why it's called junky twist. So after that, after cutting, I always try to detangle it properly. Like, it's just the best. So detangle it properly, and I'm using my shine and jam on the roots. So I'm going to be applying the shine and jam. The shine and jam is to make it neat, put everything together, no fly away, nothing. I just want it to be neat. I just want it to be beautiful. So use your shine and jam on it, especially the roots, not all part of the hair, just the roots as I'm doing. And after that, I'm going to be using my ruffle. So I'm using the smallest of them, or the smallest of the ruffle, because I don't want something that will be bulky at the tip as well. So I'm just going to go ahead, get my ruffle and go around like 3 times. I did about 3, 4, 5 times until the ruffle is not so big anymore. So that is what I am doing, and that is what I'm going to be doing. So I'm parting in a circular form, like I can see. So I'm doing like a circular kind of pattern. That is what I'm doing, and that is what I'll be doing for everything. So if you are new to this channel, or you just stumble on this video, you're on the right channel. Welcome to this channel. On this channel, we talk about children hair. We show you different styles you can make for party, for school, for all kind of events, and they are all protective, beautiful hairstyles. So sometimes we talk about wig, we talk about routine, we talk about everything hair. So you are in the right place. So just go ahead and subscribe to this channel, click the notification bell, so that every time we upload videos, you can see all the videos that we upload. And to our returning subscriber, oh, you are always welcome. Thank you for always tuning in. Thank you for always watching our video. We truly appreciate you. So continue to watch, and you know what, don't forget to give us a thumbs up. That thumbs up is a way of telling YouTube that you enjoyed this video and you would like other people to also say it. So that is the purpose of the thumbs up. So when you watch the video, you like it, give us a thumbs up. Also, comment. You need anything, any observation, just put it at the comment section. I'll be right there to attend to it. Okay, so now I'm still going ahead, parting it in a circular form. Can you see the circle is so beautiful? Like, you can do any pattern you like, any shape that you like, but for this one, I actually want the circular kind of pattern. So that is why I'm going this way. Is it even circular? Yeah, it's circle. It's kind of circle, kind of cone. I don't know. It shall look circle, some kind. So that is what we're doing. So for every section, I make sure I detangle. Even by the time I want to start making it, I will still detangle, because detangling is important. So I did the remaining of camera, and now it's time for me to twist. So I've started twisting it and then I'll be showing you how I twist. So what I do, I divide it into two equal parts, and I'm using my twister lock to twist it, like just twist. So if you twist normally to the right, if you want to do this type of twist, twist to the left. If you normally twist to the left, if you want to do this type of twist, just twist to the right. You will get that bulky look that you want. So when you are twisting, it will look tiny, it will look slim, but no, by the time you're done, it's just going to come out bulky. And I'll be using my bead. It was a bit difficult putting the bead. I don't have the bead picker anymore, and then my hand was a bit slippery, but just fold the tip of the hair and try to put it into the bead, and make sure that the hole of the bead you want to use is big. That way it will be easier for you to do. So after that, just use your rubber to secure the bead, and that is it. So this style, it took us about 30 minutes. Yeah, just a bit above 30 minutes, and it's because of the bead part. Imputing the bead was a bit not straightforward like that. If you have the picker, it will be better. So I'm using my hand to detangle before I go ahead to do it. So just divide it into two, like that is the so that you can see it properly. So just divide into two and use your twist and lock. The twist and lock give it a different look, like a beautiful different look. And as I'm going, I'm using my hand to detangle it, and I'm putting my twist and lock. I put it at the back of my hand so that I won't be bending at intervals. So that's why, just do what is convenient for you. So at this point, I just decide to twist first, then when I'm done, I'll now start putting the bead again. I don't want putting the bead immediately was giving me some kind of stress and was delaying me. So I decided to twist first, twist the whole hair first, and then I'll be putting my bead. So that is it about this video. Just watch and enjoy the video, and I will see you in my next video. And don't forget, subscribe to this channel. Subscription is free. Give us a thumbs up, click the notification bell, like just do that for us. You know, we appreciate you and we love you. You will see how beautiful it is at the end of the video. Thank you for watching. See you in my next video. Bye.